Okay, so hi everyone. In last two previous lectures, we have discussed isoterms, isover, isotopes, isodiaphers, isotones, and isostars. In this video, we will discuss the isoelectronic species. See, the last isoterm our is isoelectronic species. Isoelectronic species. So what is isoelectronic species? The species which has same number of electrons are called isoelectronic species or isoelectrons simply. Example, suppose I am writing Na plus. So it is how many electrons? In sodium 11 electrons, positive charge means only one electron has lost. So it has 10 electrons. And Mg2 plus F minus, okay, it is also 10 electrons. It is also 10 electrons. Okay, so these are called isoelectronic species. Okay. So in isotopes, we see that there are more than one kind of mass of any particular element. That means one element has more than one mass. So that way, to fix which mass of an isotope, there is a concept called average atomic mass. Okay. So why average atomic mass is arises? Why? Due to more than one atomic mass of an element. Okay, so there is a concept arises that is called average atomic mass, AAM. Simply say AAM. It means average atomic mass. So what is it? So average atomic mass of any element is equal to summation of isotopic mass into percentage abundance upon 100. So percentage abundance means what? How many percentage available in our earth crust. Okay, so this is the formula. That means what are the isotopes present, accordingly mass of one isotope into percentage abundance plus mass of another isotope into percentage abundance upon 100. So accordingly we will get our average atomic mass. So let's do one example. Let's understand with examples. For example, we will take chlorine element. So chlorine has 1735 and other isotope 1737. So there's a two kinds of isotope, but available in 3:1. 3:1 ratio is available. That means total 4. Yes or no? That means this is 3 parts available, this is only 1 part available. So total for 4 parts, if we take 100, then for 3 parts will be 75%. Then for 1 part will be 25%. That means it has chlorine 1735 has 75% abundance and it has 25% abundance. So what will be the formula? Therefore average atomic mass of chlorine is equal to summation of first isotope. Which one is the first isotope? 1735. So what is that mass? We can write down mass of first isotope into percentage abundance plus. Why we put plus? Because there is one more isotope, yes or no? That means mass of second isotope into percentage abundance whole divide 100. So this is equal to, what is the mass of first isotope? 35 into its percentage abundance is 75%, okay, plus 37 into 25% abundance of 100. So this is coming out, if you calculate 3550 upon 100, it is coming out 355 upon 10, this is coming out 35.5 mu. So we get the average atomic mass of chlorine is coming out 35.5. Okay. So, and one more concept we left, that is relative atomic mass. Okay, initially relative atomic mass has GAM. Okay, relative atomic mass. So what is relative atomic mass? So it is simply called RAM. Okay, so राम नाम तो बहुत है, राम नाम बहुत, ओके, लाइफ इज कलरफुल विथ राम नाम. ओके, तो चलिए, सो उसको बोलते हैं क्या बेटा? राम. ओके, रिलेटिव एटॉमिक मास, एंड दिस इज आर्म. ओके, average atomic mass. So what is relative atomic mass? So relative atomic mass of an element is equal to mass of the element upon 1/12th mass of carbon 12 isotope. 1/12th mass of carbon 12 isotope. Okay, so why we writing 1/12th? Because mass of one carbon atom is 12, 1 mu. Yes or no? Yes or no? Because we writing down why 1/12. See, because we know mass of one carbon atom बराबर 12 AMU implies 1 AMU बराबर 1/12. That means this is the carbon 12 isotope. Yes or no? Okay, so that's why we are writing in the formula for relative atomic mass is 1/12. So hope is it clear? So that way, for example, we are calculating mass of hydrogen. So barabar mass of hydrogen element, divided by 1/12th mass of carbon 12 isotope. So this is barabar 1 mass of hydrogen 1 upon 1/12 into what is the mass of carbon 12 isotope? 12. So 12 cancel, is coming out what? 1 m. So this was in ancient time scientist has calculated on hydrogen scale. After that they calculated on oxygen scale. Okay, and by calculating based on hydrogen scale, oxygen scale, there is some errors occurs in the experiment. So that why that this concept has unchallenged. After that they fix carbon scale. So this is the carbon scale. Based on carbon 612 isotope, scientist has calculated the mass of an atom or any element. But in present moment there is an instrument to calculate the isotope of an element, that is called mass spectrometer. Okay, keep in mind the instrument which is used to calculate mass of any element That is what is the mass? What is the mass? Okay, what is the instrument beta? That is the instrument name is mass spectrometer. The instrument name is mass spectrometer. Nowadays this instrument is used to calculate mass of any sample or atom size. Okay, so hope is it clear? So what we have discussed, relative atomic mass RAM, after the average atomic mass arm. Now come to the point. Okay, last one is GAM. Okay, ram am gam, ram am gam, ram आया आम खाया गाम चला गया. So GAM means what? Gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass. Okay, so what is gram atomic mass? Okay, so gram atomic mass means the mass of an element. The mass of an element is expressed in gram unit. In gram unit is called gram atomic mass. Is called gram atomic mass. So serially, ये three terms we should remember: ram, am, gam. Ram is relative atomic mass, am, AAM, average atomic mass, and last one is our gram atomic mass. So let's see. So what is this? Any element if expressed in gram unit is called what? Gram atomic mass. For example, you write down mass of one, or we can say like this: 1 gram oxygen atom means what? What is the mass of 1 gram oxygen atom? So it indicates for what? Mass of 1 gram of oxygen atom, we can say. Okay, or so 1 gram means what? Equal to 1 mole. So that means we know that mole concept equal to gram concept. So mass of 1 mole of oxygen atom. Okay, so this is equal to mass of, we can also write mass of Na oxygen atom. Yes or no? Because mole means 1 Avogadro's number. Okay, so this is barabar. We can also write mass of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 oxygen atoms. Yes or no? So this will come in. What is the mass of oxygen? 16 gram upon Na. Okay, into Na. So Na cancel out. So it's coming out 16 gram. So this is called actual mass of oxygen atom. Okay, so this is the called also actual mass. Okay, so this is also called actual mass of an atom. Actual mass. So actual mass is nothing but mass of an atom or element in the given substance is called actual mass. Okay, so hope is it clear? Accordingly, we can calculate the gram atomic mass of every element. Okay, like based on that method. Okay.